Ever heard of an order for service by publication and mailing? It's basically a court order that allows one party to notify the other party about a lawsuit or a legal proceeding without handing the court papers to them personally. The courts use it as a last resort because the legal system generally prefers direct notice. This is what it would look like. Here's what each part means. Service by publication means the court is allowing notice of the case to be published in a newspaper or another publication specified by law for a required period of time. Service by mailing means that copies of court papers will be mailed to a person's last known address or other addresses where they might receive mail, even if there's no guarantee that they'll actually receive the court papers. Someone will ask for this type of order when they've made diligent efforts to find or personally serve the other party, but those efforts have failed. So a person may need to do this if the other party's current address is unknown, if the other party is intentionally avoiding service, if the other party has moved and cannot be located after reasonable efforts, or the other party has just gone somewhere where it's just impossible to have them served. The purpose of it is to allow a case to move forward while still giving the absent party a reasonable chance to learn about it. Courts require evidence that the person requesting publication has made a genuine effort to locate and serve the other party. It can be used in divorce cases, child custody cases, probate proceedings, property disputes, and some debt collection or civil lawsuits. Before granting an order for service by publication and mailing, the courts require an affidavit or declaration describing all attempts made to locate and serve the other person, evidence that those efforts were reasonable and diligent, and a proposed order specifying how publication and mailing should occur. If a judge approves the request, the order usually states which newspaper or publication will be used, how many times and the length of time the notice must be published, whether copies of the papers must be mailed and to what address, and any deadlines for completing the service. If the publication and any required mailing are completed according to the court's order, the court may consider the other party legally served, even if there's no guarantee the other party actually saw or received the notice. If the party doesn't respond within the required time, the case may proceed without them, and in some situations, the court may enter a default judgment.